I love my grill for steaks, chops, burgers, chicken. And I love my Blackstone for breakfast, pancakes, omelets. So why not carry both? Because that's a lot of weight, but mostly because it takes up too much space. So today on Mike Jordan Uncomplicated, we're going to fix that for you with a DIY grill Blackstone combo. So what is my grill? It's one of these tabletop gas grills. It is a Members Mark brand that comes from Sam's. I've seen these at Academy, the exact same thing. I think it's called Outdoor Chef, whatever their store brand is. I will try to put a link in the description. If I can't find it, there is, because I bought it in the store, there's the model number. You can freeze that serial number and see what it is. But and then also I'll just take a look. I put it back in the original box when I put it in the pass-through just to keep it clean, but there's what it looks like, the box. So that's the grill to start with, and I just can't resist showing this sight. It is awesome, nice and shady. My grill for steaks, chops, chicken, burgers. Just gotta have a grill. I just can't get down with these things on the Blackstone. Alright, and what is the wonder device that turns this grill into a DIY Blackstone? It is this. Now this is a cast iron griddle made by Lodge. If you're familiar with Lodge, or maybe you're not familiar with Lodge, but they make all kinds of cast iron cookware. Several different sizes of frying pans, Dutch ovens, soup pots, so on and so forth. So all cast iron. So when cast iron behaves like a Blackstone, or a Blackstone behaves a lot like cast iron, so this becomes perfect because it fits in the grill perfect, and I'll show you that in a minute. So this Lodge you can get in the camping section most anywhere. Walmart, Academy, Bass Pro, Cabela's. I think I got mine at Academy. Try to put a link in the description. But that is it. Let's put it on the grill. Alright, and there it is on the grill. It fits near perfect edge to edge, and little room front and rear, but that's fine. And the grill heats it up quite nicely, so it becomes the perfect little DIY Blackstone. So I only have the one device, the grill, to carry. That griddle, I just leave it right in there when I transport it. Just close the lid. The lid locks down with those things, and it seems to travel and work fine, and it's always in great condition when I get to where I'm going. So again, just the perfect DIY Blackstone and grill with only needed to carry one device for the space, one device for the weight, and you've got the best of both worlds. Now let's cook some breakfast. All right, the only downside is this thing is a little bit smaller, so just cooking for 2 today, but I have cooked for 4, so you have to just kind of do in shifts. So just doing the bacon and some peppers for the omelets, and then the omelets coming up next. All right, omelets for 2 starting, and omelets for 2 flipped, ready to plate and serve. Yum yum, let's eat. Lots of great camping videos on the channel, so check those out. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.